Hello humans, welcome back to another video, and I reported FNF versus Scratch Cat to Scratch. Yeah, it's not confusing at all. Because for some reason, Scratch thought it was like copyright infringement by remixing somebody else's Scratch Cat project, because that makes sense. Even though I actually changed stuff unlike the 7 million other remixes of the project. Basically, Scratch, and it was like, make it better. Because we removed your project, so you have to post it again. But we'll sue you worse if you just repost it. And now it looks better. And I actually just redid the Scratch Cat and the backgrounds because Scratch Cat was actually really easy to track because he just kind of doesn't move. It's so weird to look at Scratch Cat and not be a vector. And yes, don't complain about the fast scroll speed because I kinda, manually changed the settings. It's not gonna affect you. Cry about it. And yes, the backgrounds don't, flashbang you yet. I think I took, 3 hours to port this. Ooh, the business thing is doing the rugabos. That means I'm doing good, right? I think that does it when I have a PFC. Oh, I still do have the SS rating. I thought I only have it single S. No, I don't have a triple S. That's what I thought. Okay. Even though I have half the old stuff, I don't have all the songs in here yet. 90 to 1S, which is the person I originally remixed from, and honestly, that project was way worse, the remix that I made. This doesn't even have all the songs. I still need to add Junior, but I don't want to crop a sprite sheet right now. I'll probably do a short whenever I port it. I know there's dialogue boxes you're supposed to do in this mod, but one thing, the Scratch Cat and Boyfriend blasted my ears whenever they made noise. It sounds like the volume sound in Haxflixel. Or just FNF, I don't know if it's a Haxflixel specific. I really want that volume graphic, but definitely not the sounds. Because the sound is piercing. And also I don't know how to make dialogue on this engine. It's been done before. Adobe 243 did it, and someone else did it. I'm kind of confused why I never actually used, the Chris 235 version of FNF Story Mode as my engine instead of just a standard one. Because he knew how to do the cutscene stuff. With dialogue. My modification of it is just kind of replay mode. By the way, after this, it may or may not be the easiest mod of all time. I don't know. I don't remember. 99.69. Dang it, my accuracy went up. Scratch Cat probably thinks I'm hacking now. He doesn't realize that he's actually in a Scratch project talking about Scratch projects. The inception is real. I kinda wanna rechart this part a little bit. It would probably destroy my 99.48% accuracy though. Dang it, I got to 99.30. It's totally a terrible score, and I'm just blowing that out of proportion because it's I cheesed the input, and also I actually did kind of good still too. And also later in the video I'm gonna do comparisons because the original versus Scratch Cat didn't really function this well, and it didn't even have FPS scaling properly. It was so weird. By the way, the code in the background isn't real code. The code in this engine is a lot more complicated. Oh, I'm used to the old version of this. In the old version, Boyfriend's voice is worse, but Scratch Cat sounds more interesting for some reason. I magically cannot get 6 bajillion% because I only have 95 right now. Did my accuracy go up by missing? That makes sense. Easiest mod of all of FNF, be like. I'm honestly confused why they actually tried to accomplish something so hard on, like, Kate Engine 1.4. Did they not think something bad would happen? Am I not hitting the right keys now? I mean the left keys? I'm kind of surprised that nobody's made a FNF versus Pico versus Pico song yet. Or, FNF Pico versus Pico, yeah, that makes more sense. Is it because the secondary characters are relevant except in backgrounds? Because that's how views work? Oh my god, 6.66 milliseconds! Oh yeah, now I remember. If you turn up on Scratch, the background is the wrong resolution, so it looks super weird. That's why when I turn off remove fencing, it gets smaller. Oh yeah, he actually kind of screams in this one. I sort of implemented the animation. I didn't animate the backgrounds because it's technically the same background as a normal Scratch Cat using the same spray. I only see 3 separate ones, and I don't want to do that right now. I'll probably do it sometime soon-ish. If I don't do it sometime soon-ish, then spam me in the comments and Scratch. Actually YouTube, because that gets more engagement. Average, most sane Dave and Bambi song. Even with all the false misses and everything, it's still realistic. Ooh, this one doesn't sound weird at all with the instrumental. I don't like how fast the timer goes down, even though I know it's mostly accurate. I'm kind of interested to see how, like, smooth the timer looks when you set the resolution to really high. By the way, I don't recommend doing this on your Chromebook. It's gonna explode. You can tell it's not supposed to be like this. Oh, never mind. I think setting the display resolution to 4K makes it look smoother. You are not actually going to gain any fidelity by setting the display resolution to 4K. It's just a weird thing I added, which will probably be way more convenient in these cases, with like mod charts and stuff. See, like, the beta version of this song is interesting. Oh, that didn't take way too long to get out of there. Oh yeah, I like the instrumental on this one a lot more. It's a lot more interesting than the thing we actually got, which is kind of bland. It's probably because in the final thing, instead of having a cool sound, he just screamed a bunch. Scratch Cat trying his best wasn't good enough in the final version. Is there so much spam that just this normal, like, average David Bambi spam doesn't affect the camera, but this does? It's so weird. I still don't understand why I made the opponent splash animation transparent, but not having an exception for when it's not middle school. Because it's not realistic, even on what I based that off on, which was Forever Engine. And no, I didn't add all the beta songs. Some were just really bad. And I don't want to destroy the ears of my viewers that much. There's only so much I want to destroy my viewers' ears, just as much as I usually do. Yeah, this one just has the second measure. I don't know what music is. Second section, whatever it is. Verse. Who knows? I just like spam notes a lot. I know I like practically mod rhythm games for ages, but I don't know what the music things are. I know that's bad. Shush. You can tell they took the sound from a Scratch Cat's meow sound. It's definitely less edited in this version. Who knew playing an FNF thing on Scratch at 4K wouldn't cause a gaming PC to explode? Definitely not me. Definitely not. And now, since I said I would, I have to compare the original FNF scratching mod to... Why that's redundant. Why is this .rar.zip? You could tell they just kind of like copied the whole file name. At least they're like a smart enough Windows user to have their file extension shown. Oh, I forgot. This is Body Plus. I forgot about this engine, yeah. What does Funny Songs do? I don't understand. Why can you 360... Oh, yeah, you can't 360 cap it. I forgot. Okay, you have too much debug in the normal settings. Yeah, like that. I hope that sets the first player instead of the second one. Oh, yes. It's great. Oh, a new sprite! Wow. Welcome to the project. You must be confused. Let me take you to the basics. Of all the more basics. Beep. Why is it down scroll? Why is it using 2 gigs of VRAM? Oh yeah, remember when AA was still a rating? What is that icon for the winning? Why is that icon? Yeah, mine isn't very good for the winning icon for boyfriend, but it's definitely not that. I kind of like how it shows you where you missed, though. I feel like that could be a feature I would add. That would be kind of cool. I think that's why Psych Engine has the Never Idle achievement. They just like never fix that. They're just like, oh yeah, this is kind of funny. I'm doing worse than down scroll. That should not be a C. I should have an F in this song. An F for trying. Huh? You're learning pretty quick. Yeah. Let's get the level up. What? Change the camera. Oh yeah. Since it's accelerated, you can't. Whatever you pause it on Arcade Engine, I think it's only with the older versions. The camera still moves even though you're paused. So you could tell that script isn't actually like exactly with the music, but sort of with it, as it gets activated when the music starts, but it doesn't actually sync to a specific time. Can you tell I'm doing a bit better? I know you cannot get the beta songs in this mod normally. Isn't copying the other character actually good to learn a bit faster how to play this game too? It'd help you get a bit more stamina, I would think too, right? Dang it, I went idle. Okay, now it's the really easy one. Yeah, pretty good. You're pretty good at this already. Well, something is that like everyone that learns here, they just do something really hard instantly. You're the type of people, right? E-A. Oh no, why are the notes off center? Get out of my head, get out of my head. Oh no. Just making it windowed help? No. That's great. Windows is not to the rescue like it ever was. I did not need to miss that down note. Wait, there's actually animations with the left? Kinda surprised. Did I literally just notice that? Oh, it doesn't show the actual color, that's weird. Why does it only show the color like half the time? Did they not fix the input system enough for all the notes to be recognized as separate entities? Oh yeah, I forgot how long the outro of this one was. Oh. You're back. Eep. You came at the wrong moment, bud. Something's happening, and it does not look good. Why did you come back? Beep skibidi dop. Ellipses. It wasn't enough for you. You still want more rapping? Eve. Really? Now? Period, period, question mark. Ellipses. This place will probably collapse soon. I'm not sure. Ellipses. I'm feeling weird. Like if this affected me too. Ellipses. You better leave now. Boop. This place is not safe anymore. Ellipses. Are you sure you want a rap battle? Bobby. Ellipses. I'll try my best.
3, 2, 1, go.
I keep changing the voices. How do I make it go to normal color then red? Ah, I forgot my keybinds again. Oh, that's a good accuracy. Oh yeah, I should probably add a seizure warning at the beginning of the video. Not threatening you that you will get a seizure, but... Oh no, this event does happen normally. I just thought Cadence, or not Cadence, the thing was different. Why is this tracking on this Scratch Cat worse than mine? I have no idea when the glitch one compared to the not glitch one happened. Because there's two streaming states, one that's a glitch and one that isn't. So I had to take creative, quote-unquote creative liberty with that part. Okay, he's glitchy on the ones that aren't as loud, I think. Maybe. That is really smooth. Why is it over 240 FPS? Scratch with mods, or not Scratch. Imagine if Scratch could do this, just like whatever you make the screen move a bunch, it just unlocks the FPS cap, but it's not even that much higher that you would notice on like even a high refresh rate monitor. That's better than mine. Mine's 144 Hz. I don't have $6 bajillion just to have the monitor. I want the sweaty gaming PC, not the sweaty gaming monitor. And also, oh, I didn't know it actually did that at the end. It's probably because I didn't actually properly go through the mod, or I just didn't remember correctly. And since I didn't port this yet, I'm just going to show it in the actual
3, 2, 1, go.
mod. I don't think you could make a FNF versus Scratch Cat on Scratch Jr. That's what I could say. Because it's a version of Scratch that's even more dumbed down for like 3 to 7-year-olds, I think. I'd like to say that, I'm not sure. And Scratch is like E for everyone. Which, I mean, I guess kind of makes sense because you can make like the most complex things in it if you want, like ray traced Minecraft. No, it doesn't actually use like NVIDIA technologies. I'm wondering how they got the vocals for this one. And yes, you probably haven't seen this song before. They added this as like a 2.1 release, I think. And everyone forgot about Scratch Cat, I think. At least this mod specifically. Ooh, this one has random double notes. Cool. Well, like always, the Scratch project that I made the Scratch Cat thing on is in the description. My username on Scratch is Chucky Lee. Well, this should be about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you want to see another video. Bye!